The federal government has announced a $76 million package to immediately roll out mental health services in fire-affected communities. The funding will go towards counselling sessions and community recovery initiatives. Human lives lost, wildlife decimated, communities destroyed, properties gone and land razed. The physical impact of the bushfires is also taking a traumatic emotional toll on those seeing it firsthand. Scott Morrison has announced more support for their mental health needs. That will include $10.5 million for up to 10 free counselling sessions for individuals and emergency services personnel, $29.6 million for Medicare-supported psychological treatments and rebates, $16 million for trauma care services for emergency workers, and $3.2 million to deploy mental health response coordinators to fire zones. The government says the money is about helping support affected Australians and rebuilding communities. The mental health support services will be available immediately, while some of the other items, including the Medicare support, will be rolled out by the end of the week. The money is in addition to the government's $5.2 billion investment in mental health this financial year. Meanwhile, opposition leader Anthony Albanese has written to the Prime Minister asking for a motion of condolence on the first parliamentary sitting day of the year.
The first and indeed the only item of business on that first sitting day would be a motion of condolence, acknowledging the loss of life, those who've been injured, those who've lost properties and everything that they own, but also one that would acknowledge and thank our firefighters for the extraordinary bravery that they've shown.
Politicians are due to return to Canberra on February the 4th. Anna Rawlings, Sky News.